Greetings everyone. Today I will show you how to make Cannonbolt Ben 10 in Infinite Craft. So first of all, grab earth and water, create a plant. Now use a plant and plant to make a tree. Now water it, make a river. Now trade again, have a paper, and yeah, that's a word. Now combine paper and paper, I have a book. Now take a earth and wind, create dust. Now burn it, and you have a ash. Combine with a tree, you have a pencil. Now then take earth, and you have a drawing. Combine it, and you have a comics. Combine with drawing, you have a cartoon. Now take a dust and water. Earth. Now take a dust and earth. Create planet. Now take a fire and wind. Create smoke. Now take a smoke and water, and you have a fog. Combine with a planet, you have a Venus. Venus and mud equals Adam. Now take Adam and Venus, you have a Eve. Now take a Eve and Adam. Human. Take human, and you have a family. Take family and human, you have a baby. Baby with a baby, a child. Now child and cartoon, you have a Cartoon Network. Beloved Cartoon Network. Now water and fire to make a steam. Burn it to get an engine. Now combine engine and engine, you have a rocket. Combine them, you have Ben 10. Now take a plant and wind, create a dandelion. Earth, let it flower. Flower and plant equals garden. Garden plus garden. Park. Park and garden. Plus earth equals animal. An animal with dandelion is a rabbit. And rabbit and Ben 10, it's Cannonbolt. Thanks you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.